Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. So everyone, most of the persons are using for Facebook option. Okay, so this will be nothing but we have to introduce about my website to the no people will be audience purpose. So here, who are first time will watching my videos, please subscribe our channel. Every company website we have to using for the Facebook and Instagram options. How you can generating traffic through Facebook on your particular website. First of all, create a post on your particular option. What are the posts you done? Select your post option. Here it is. Post your particular image was designed. Next, what are the content you been preparing from social network? That will be here. We can use this option. What are the near locations? We can use the particular location will be useful for the areas. Okay, now it is. I'm design image. Here it is. Click for post option. If any add button is called, like we can add your call button, anything will be given by the call button option will be given to the particular customer. We can give the WhatsApp number also. We can give the particular customers. So what are the options we can use? We can use this particular options. Like we can connecting will be WhatsApp, or we can connecting will be phone, or we can connecting with anything. A particular number will be choose the customers will be contacting purpose. We can choose the contacting purpose. So right now I click for post this option. So it will done. So any people will looking for this option, they can call immediately click for call now option will be shown to the particular customers. So this will be here. Here the option is called boost post is there. We have two options. Now I'm showing for two campaigns in the Facebook ad. It will be promoting for Facebook and Instagram. So first of all, in your Facebook, we can connecting with the Instagram compulsory mandatory. The Facebook page connecting Instagram will be compulsory mandatory. Once you will be connecting is done. Next, we have launch will be called facebook.com/manage. Just a second. So this will be particular manage. So what are the campaign you can click here? That all will be, we can pause the previous campaigns. They're all called new campaigns are there. Create the new campaign. I'll show the two things. One is called, we can engage your along with the page and your post. Second will be, we can promote your reach the audience on your Facebook page and Instagram. In this purpose, we can selecting one of the campaign name is called engagement. In engagement, we have option will be post engagement, page likes, event response. Right now, what are the posts done by my Facebook page for increasing call now purpose? I have to show name is called post engagement. Click for continue. I show the two campaigns which is useful. Use that particular campaigns. I'll show this page wise campaign. This is the campaign wise. This will be post engagement. Click for next. Here, daily budget minimum will be starting for 74 rupees onwards. So now will be 77 will be changing the price. So previous 40, now after changes, now will be minimum will be looking for the 76 rupees for 52 paisa. So minimum we adding for 80 rupees. When adding 80 rupees, reach 1400 to 4000. Engagement will be 199 to 576 engagement. Start date, I don't mention any end date. What is the reason is called? I can target the particular audience purpose. I have to use this option. In this, particular location will be selected. So what are the locations are mostly will be useful, that all location we can add by here. So add on locations. So how many areas you can promote it? That all areas we can promote from here. Nothing is available by here. So that much of knowledge you can use him for up to here. So we need to add Marikonda, we can add by all across will be covered here. So 1200 to 3600. So age wise, I can target up to 45 years. All gender, demographic, interest, behavior will be everything, not only for here, but I can target this will be who are looking for swimming classes. I will be target only for who are looking for swimming classes. So swimming pools. Who are looking for swimming and swimming pool classes, we are targeted by the particular audience. So, sir, the targeting audience compass important not. Suppose we can exactly customers we have to find out purpose. We can use the exactly interest will be compulsory important. So that will be reaching for exact audience purpose. So suppose my business will be universal. No need to selecting for particular audience interest. So right now I can promoting for swimming pools. It is located in Malekunda. I can promote this option. So that is called I can using this option. Click for save audience. Selecting place, everything is done. Next one, automatic placement and manual placement. This ad will be visible to this Facebook, Instagram, and audience network, not for the messenger option. That is called when click for automatic placements. Any cost control you will be used from the this campaign purpose. Don't use any cost control. Click it here. Select your page will be here. After this one, immediately we can select it here. Next one, use existing post. Select post. Now, this will be done by now. Click here, continue. When people was click this one here, share link, here is the option. So here is the option. Expand. So the show will be customers, desktop news feed and mobile news feed. How to show the customers? They can increase your call option. They increase your call option. So here the number of button will be available. Everything is there. This boost post will be reached the first for customers that the only campaign will be called to increase the calls purpose. Here three benefits. There is call, simple one, expand. It is promoting for your page, content, that you can click the call option. Then you can click the call option. So it is here. So this will be expand your share link. So link share off or not, anything will be here. Finally click for publish this option. So per day we have to running this ad cost will be 78 rupees. The campaign will be start. Is going to review state. When it's closed for ad option, go to campaign. Now they will be go to account error. Account error nothing but, so right now I'm not adding for particular budget. So that is the showing for account error will be here. So when it go to the billing, so right now adding the budget here. So add funds. So here I'm adding for just for 100 rupees to understand the purpose. I'm adding budget here. Right now my available balance will be 0. So I'm adding budget here. Wait for a second. So payment having this option. So how is the payment will be done? Just you can scan and pay the amount. Is a new process will be shown to the particular customers. Adding the budget will be here. Will be close. Right now will be here. Just go to the refresh option. Just fraction of seconds, amount will be added. Now we can go to the ads manager. Billing procedure, credit card, debit card, Paytm, value, UPI, anything will be here. Now my ad will be review stage. In this one, what are the my engagement, everything they show to particular customer, how much will be organic, how much will be paid, that all will be. If you are organic, simple will be click, share to the group option. How many groups we can link here? So link will be no groups are there. We can add the group options and share your content will be particular group things. Or else you can create your own groups and share by the groups option. So that is your organic option. But paid one, we can come into where go to ads manager, promote your content will be based on the ads. This is the first one. Second campaign, create a campaign. This campaign will be based on 80 rupees. The reach will be 1000 to 3000 in between. Second one is called campaign name is called reach. This reach campaign, they will running for complete for the backend procedure. So how it is running for here, buying action, that campaign name is called reach. This will be second campaign. This will be not depend on your post option. Daily 80. It is reaching for 12,000 to 34,000. Previous one, same campaign, I can running from here. That all will be show for 1,000 to 3,000. But right now, it is just you can spending for 80 rupees. The reach will be daily results. Is not for monthly, not for weekly. It's complete for 12,000 to 34,000 reach. The spending of 80 rupees. But this campaign will not running for the in Facebook front end. Previous campaign, they will show how much will be estimation they can show on the Facebook page. But this will be showing the backend procedure. But in this campaign, reaching will be more audience with a less budget. Estimation audience will be, these are the particular customer will be reaching for here. 38 crores or 44 crores will be, everything will be here. 38 crores, 3 lakhs, 44 crores, 75 lakhs. That particular audience will be here. Same will be. What are the location will be target? Location. The location wise 3,400 to 9,700. Previous one 1,300 to 3,400. But the starting will be minimum reaching for 8 rupees budget 3,400 to 9,700. Age wise, you can decrease the ages. How many customers will be decrease? Check it first of all. How much will be customers? This will be 3,300 to 9,400. Here. In this, I'm not selecting for anyone. Suppose you can selecting for any particular demographic. Swimming. It will be. Swimming pools. It is 1.9 to 5.5K. So minimum 1.9 thousand so here. But I can target my business will be reaching for every customers. So what is the purpose of people know about your particular customers here? So they're targeting for more audience purpose. This will be placements. They will supporting for Instagram, Facebook, audience network, Messenger also will support. Previous boost post option not showing for Messenger. This also will showing for Messenger option also. See this Messenger. People will be click here. They click for learn more option. So always remember, once you creating Facebook ad, it will showing for Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and Messenger option also. Click for anything pending. Next. Here you will be design your ad will be your own. It's called single image ad here. Edit one. Image was selected. Click it. The ratio will be all will be original ratios. We can use crop also original. Crop will be like this. Original will be like this. The next one, add the website URL. So we can which content we can show to the customers. Add your website link. We can check more variations. Instagram feed, Instagram stories is not a video. Insta Explorer, Insta Reel not accepted. Native banner and here Messenger stories, Facebook search results, Facebook feed, Facebook instant article, Facebook instant video. So compared to the post engagement, the reach will be more can be eligible for the customers. So finally, you can click the button is called book now, call now, contact us, download now, anything. If you are promoting your channel will be, you can show for subscribe also will be available. Watch more, everything will be here. So this will be contact us purpose. We can add your website link. So this will be direct. I can generating traffic on my website. If you are give to the call now button, they can add by the phone number. But I can give only if option name is called. Your particular option will be given by the book now option. So easily we can book the service from the book now button. Now finally, click for publish this future. So this ad will be running to the particular backend, getting for more customer reaching purpose. But in this campaign, only one drawback. This will be not showing for the front end. The post engagement, what are the posts you done, that will show in the front end. This will be ad will show to customer in the backend procedure. In ad creation time, no ads, account error, this all nothing but your budget will be very less on your particular account. Maintain the proper budget and it is review onto the particular ad within 1 hour to 7 hours. The ad is approved. Sometime will taking for 24 hours. The ad will be approved on your particular website. In this ad is mainly to reach the audience to get the more traffic purpose. So these are the two different campaigns increase the website traffic purpose. So in a payment method, we can utilize net banking, credit card, Google Pay, Phone Pay, anything will be supported. Not only one, debit credit card, UPI, Paytm, and net banking. When selecting Paytm, compulsory you can scan will be available on your Paytm app too in your payment methods. Why? Because previous will be lot of issues will be happening. So that is the reason they will be changing for this procedure. Scan mode. So this is the method we can follow to create the ads. Will be two kind of procedure. One is will be showing to your Facebook page to engage audience. Second will be backend. So which is better? Any two things you can generating traffic on your website purpose. So two, which is your useful, we can use them. If any questions about this one, please ask me to my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.